watering checks. So the other day, I don't know if you've seen seen the quails or whatever, but we do have a wildlife watering station down here. Being in the desert, we don't get a lot of water, so sometimes they recommend setting up a little watering station. We're going to be doing this today. I'm gonna, because it's shady here, I want to get these trees, and I'm probably not going to trim them down until it cools down a little bit, because in the winter you really don't see them. We don't get as many animals. I'll put some of the animals. There's lots of quail, coyotes, snakes, rabbits, everything. You name it, little squirrel things come here. Anyhow, so I got some good rocks I picked out of the wash, and have tons of rocks. Eventually all this is another project, so I'm gonna get this all looking good. It's just a little bit at a time. All right, so the camera got too hot that day, so this is the next day. I had to go to the dump and went and got some more supplies. So at the end, I decided to put a shade up there. You can see a little bit of it. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up here quick. Hey, how's it going? Well, I ran into a little snafu on this project. I'll take you down here and go check it out. I went and I bought the wrong sealer. So I had to order the sealer offline because they had nothing in town. So that'll be in July 1st, and then I'll give y'all an update when it's done. Note to self. Pretty good carpenter. Pretty good at working with metal. Can build things. I'm all right at working on cars. Not good with masonry. So, guess I found that out. I'm not good with doing all this stuff. So I kind of got the consistency right, but then the sun, it dries it out quick. So, I mean, lesson learned. I'll do it again just to probably be a little better next time, because kind of got the gist of it. Not really. I'd probably have to do a lot more time. There's probably a bunch of people who do this for a living. They're freaking turning over in their graves what I'm doing. But lesson learned is just for like a animal pond, so I'm not too worried about how fancy it is. That's why I wanted to give it a shot doing it down here, because I have an idea for up in the yard, but I need to do this probably 110 more times before I can actually probably make it look semi-good. But it just looks like a kid just threw a bunch of shit everywhere. But get in there, I'm gonna wipe this down, clean it down. I'll give you a picture when it's all cleaned up, and that's how I end it, with it cleaning up, so you guys stay easy. Peace.